Hi, I'm Wayne with Headsets Direct. We have a lot of users calling asking the question, what do we move to now that Poly has discontinued the CA22CD wireless push-to-talk amplifier? And the answer is, here is the SHG D200 DECT push-to-talk amp. So very similar to what we're used to with Poly. And to get you up to speed, Poly in March of 2025 decided to exit that whole sector. So that's why we're scrambling to find new solutions going forward here in 2026. So as you will see, this is very similar to what we're used to. It has a base unit. Your plugs all go into the back. It has a coiled cable that goes down to a 2-prong 6-wire jack, so just like what we're used to with the Poly CA22 products. As far as the remote goes, it's a little bit lighter weight. It has the same push-to-talk feel. I don't have this one plugged in at the moment, but there's a light up here that lights up when it's connected and when it's a live connection. It has a speaker adjustment, so that's very easy with the thumb wheel. Out the top, it has a cable about the same length, and it goes up to a quick disconnect. And you can use the same Poly headsets that you're used to. I would suggest moving over to SHG headsets. From a compatibility point of view, if you can make the same manufacturer of the headsets and amps go together, it will simplify your life. If we ever have compatibility issues or questions, being an authorized dealer of SHG, we have the contacts to go back and work with to make sure we can get you up and going with the best possible audio. And that comes into play with matching headset and amplifiers, both by SHG. These are your typical setups for anyone using 911 dispatch center that needs push-to-talk or air traffic control. So really this is just simply replacing what the CA22 has given us for the last decade, and prior to that it was the CA12 that we used. So usable with Motorola and many other consoles. The quick disconnect again is the exact same one that Poly's had forever. This is TAA-certified. And it's also DECT, using the DECT wireless frequency, so that's what gives you that ultra secure conversation going between this and the base unit. Comes with a 2-year warranty, and on the side of the remote unit you will see it has the belt clips, so you can clip it on your belt. It does come with 2 batteries, so that easily just pops out, and you can have the other one charging in the bay and then just snap that one back in and you're good to go. So again, this is the SHG, short for Secure Headset Group, the D200 DECT push-to-talk amplifier. This is what is replacing the CA22 going forward. And if you have any questions on this or anything similar, we're always happy to help. Being an authorized dealer, give us a call at 1-800-914-7996 or visit us online at www.headsetsdirect.com. Thanks for watching.